Hi, this is my 16th day where I'm trying to speaking in English, and this is my 16th series and 16th day and learning day where I'm trying to speaking in English. I'm not a professional in speaking, that's why I'm doing practice in here. I'm doing so many mistakes in here, but at the end of the video I will rectifying my all mistake because it's my thinking if I'm doing mistake. This is the way of learning. In this video I want to meet to you with one person. He's my lovely person. It's not a person, it's my little child. Not a child, he's my nephew. He have completed 5 months, and then why I'm sharing with you? Because I love child and I love child. That's why I'm sharing with you how I how I describe of him with you in English. So yeah, let me change my location, and I'm going in room and I'm reach in room, and then he's lying on bed. Let me take off. Just wait for 1 minute. So he is my nephew. His name is Mevansh. He have completed 5 months, and he's not a naughty boy, and most of the time I spending with him because I love of him. He's my smallest nephew and like so cute nephew. His eyes looking like a wow, and his hair, see, so cute. I love child. That's why I loving of my nephew. And then I bother to him. He's not bother to me. He's not mischievous, but I bother to him because I love very much about my little baby. And his short name is Vashu. I say Vashu, 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 Vashu. And I'm doing see like this thing. I like it. And let me clean it because he wants to care. See, tell me in the comment box how he is. Because in this series I have not to share anything, but most of the time whenever I recorded previous series like day 16, day 15, day 14, most of the time I spend with him. That's why I think let me share about his in my one video. So this is my day 16, and that's why I'm share with you of his. I use English with his, but he's nothing to speak anything. He say only a, e, o, and crying only because most of the child is crying. And say, Mimash, say hi to my audience. I love you so much. So thank you so much, guys, to share this thing. I'm able to speaking this language in here and then share something about me in here. This is my 16-day series, but it's not a 16-day series. For coming series, I will share a lot of knowledge, a lot of things about me, what I do, what I'm not doing. So that kind of things I share with you. So this is the end of the series, and say bye. Hope this video is useful. If this video is useful, then like my video. Otherwise I'm not forced to you should like my video and then comment, subscribe my channel, like that. Nothing, I'm not force you because me also learner. I'm not a professional, but I'm trying to learning, and this is my speaking practice, and that's why I'm practice in here in speaking way in this video form. So bye. Bye. Vashu, say bye. Bye.